Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage style home decorating ideas for the spring. Let's take a look. Vintage style home decor for spring combines nostalgic charm with fresh, airy touches. Here are some ideas to bring that timeless elegance into your home. Color palette: soft pastels, blush pink, mint green, baby blue, and lavender. Earthy tones: cream, beige, and muted greens. Floral patterns: delicate prints on fabrics and wallpapers. Vintage-inspired furniture: distressed wood furniture, tables, chairs, and cabinets. Wicker and rattan chairs for a cozy springtime feel. Antique dressers or sideboards repurposed as statement pieces. Floral accents and botanicals: fresh cut flowers in vintage vases, peonies, tulips, daisies. Botanical prints or floral wallpaper. Pressed flowers in glass frames for a delicate old charm. Textiles and fabrics: lace or crochet table letters, floral printed or embroidered throw pillows, lightweight linen curtains for an airy feel. Antique and vintage accessories: porcelain tea sets displayed on open shelves, gilded mirrors or ornate picture frames, vintage books stacked on coffee tables, decorative bird cases or candle lanterns. Lighting and ambience: crystal candelights or antique-inspired sconces, soft, warm fairy lights in messengers or vintage lanterns. Candlesticks on tables and mantels for a romantic touch. Seasonal touches: wreaths made of dried lavender or fresh eucalyptus. Easter-themed decorations like painted eggs in antique bowls. Rustic baskets filled with fresh fruit or flowers. Incorporate vintage china and ceramics. Display floral art. Incorporate vintage china and ceramics. antique silver or wooden trays to hold candles, books, or tea sets. Add romantic vintage-inspired wall decor, botanical or bird illustrations in antique frames. A vintage clock with a distressed finish. Mirror with ornate gold or white frames to reflect natural light. Vintage style wallpaper with delicate floral or damask patterns. Make in soft, cozy elements. Layer floral or lace tablecloths for wooden dining tables. Use a vintage coil or patchwork throw over a sofa or bed. Add ruffled or crochet-trimmed pillows for a soft, inviting look. Upcycle and repurpose vintage finds. Turn an old wooden ladder into a blanket rack. Use an antique suitcase as a decorative side table. Repurpose old messengers as candle holders or mini flower vases. Create a vintage-inspired entry bed. Place an antique pens or distressed wooden console table near the entrance. Add a vintage umbrella stand or coat rack with pastel scarves. Display a spring wreath made of red lavender, eucalyptus, or wildflowers. Use vintage lighting for warmth. Swap out modern lamps for vintage-style table lamps with fabric or lace shades. Hang a distressed or crystal candelier in the dining area. Use additional string lights or lanterns for a cozy, nostalgic glow. Layer soft, airy curtains. Use sheer lace or linen curtains to let natural light filter through. Opt for floral or toile print drapes for a romantic vintage aesthetic. Mix antique and modern elements. Pair a vintage floral armchair with a sleek, neutral-toned sofa. Combine a distressed wooden dining table with modern chairs for contrast. Add antique brass hardware, knobs, handles to modern cabinets for a vintage stance. spacious reading nook. Add a charming upholstered armchair with floral or pastel fabric. Stack old hardcover books with delicate gold detailing. Place a lace trimmed or embroidered rug on a chair for a cozy vibe. Thanks for watching the video.